What's good, YouTube? This is your boy MPL speaking again. So today I'm going to do a market review for this coming week. Please, if you are new, please do subscribe and like. And for my returning subscribers, I do appreciate for you guys returning and watching my content. And please, if you really do enjoy it, please do comment below and give a like button there. So yeah, let's dive into it. Let's be brief as possible. So this is the DXY chart. I've been bullish on the DXY. As you can see, we did take out buy stops, buy side liquidity, and we have a volume imbalance here, which is on Thursday, 15 February. We are going to test it. My initial target is this old highs, 14 February, to be taken out, to be swept. But I don't know, we might see an opening candle and price just continues testing this and then a pull back to this other block here. So yeah, that's what I'm anticipating. So I'm currently sure bullish on the dollar. I have been bullish ever since we retested this volume imbalance. So we can see some retracement back here, and then price continues to take out this old highs. Yeah, that's my take on DXY. So let's go to Nasdaq. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bullish Nasdaq, bullish. So guys, I did mention that we are bullish on Nasdaq. If you did not watch my previous market review video, please go watch it. I did anticipate more buys on Nasdaq. Like I even said, super bullish buy. I don't understand why people are selling in a bullish market. Like the trend is your friend, guys. Just go with the trend. It's just that simple. It's okay if you want to sell, like if you are scalping or just taking few pips. Yeah, I get that, but from my experience, it's best if you trade with the trend. Like if we are bullish, just look for buys only, and if we are bearish, just look for sells. It's just that simple. Okay, as you can see, we always analyze on the weekly time frame. Like we determine our bias, the bias direction. So I'm anticipating short-term bearish candle retracement and then price to continue back to the upside. So that's actually my bias for the week. I'm still bullish, but my short-term bias will be sells, and then overall bias is continue to take out this high here again. Yeah, let's dive to the daily. Yeah, liquidity taken out the Friday high. You can see this is a shooting star. Sellers really don't want. Sellers are actually taking control of this. Sellers are trying to push price back down. We did test here, but price the buyers took control and closed the candle. So I'm anticipating liquidity. This sell stop this Friday, 22 March, to be taken out again. Okay guys, just mark this. Take your Fibonacci retracement and mark this candle. Just draw it up from this candle's high to this candle's low. This candle's low here. And then just mark the 50%, the equilibrium, 50% of this candle. I do believe price can magically retest until here. So just mark that out. As you can see, I dive into my 4-hour time frame. Alright, let's go to 1 hour. On the 1 hour, I did note that on Friday, we do have a February gap. So as you can see, I just want this Friday's low to be taken out also. And we did. Okay, yeah, we have relative equal highs here. So yeah, I just want price to come take this out and we go up again. So that's what I'm anticipating. Reversal. Nah, I'm not comfortable with those. If price does something like this, yeah, and I can buy. Right. We do have potential to actually test this point, guys, because if you measure the swing low to the swing high, 50% and 61, we buy below 50% discount area, guys, up to more entry. So keep that in mind, and yeah. So if price actually closes down there with a bearish engulfing candle, then you can anticipate sell side liquidity to be taken out here, and yeah, possible this lows, because next week is the last week for the month, so a lot of things tend to happen where we might just go test this opening monthly opening price again. So yeah, keep that in mind. Alright, let's dive into USD. Alright, I magically ignored USD because it's not easy trading an all-time high, guys, like honestly. So yeah, I avoided USD, like fuck, this week just left me. I was just trading Nasdaq, and I got my profits from Nasdaq. I was done for the week, basically. Guys, I do update everyone in the Telegram group that the link is down the in the description box. So if you wanna know more about this kind of stuff, these trade ideas I give out, my focus for the week, I share my profits and losses in the Telegram group. Please click that link and join the group. I update everyone of what's going on with the market on my watch list first. So please, the link is down there below. Free to join and all that. Alright, let's dive back on USD. Anticipating. Oh fuck this! I hate this fucking rejections. Let me just measure this week. So we measure this rejection week 50%. Alright, let me just mark it off. See what price will do. So I'm anticipating price to actually test this 50% of this week and price coming back again here and then continue going up. So we are going to have a short-term bias of sales and the overall bias. I don't know, maybe the overall for the bias will happen on Thursday or Friday. So I just don't like how this thing just closed with a big bearish engulfing candle. Oh hell. Because look guys, market structure. Let me just show you this quickly. This is just market structure. Market structure. Alright. Market structure. Alright, yeah. So if you guys know the market structure of highs and lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, um, higher high, higher low, higher high. So yeah, higher low. We just do this weirdly. Yeah, somewhere like that. So you guys, you can understand about structure, right? Market structure. Right. So let me just do it over again because I don't wanna confuse you guys. High, low, high, low, high, low, higher low. Somewhere here, price may just come back here and come back here again, and then we go up again, something like that. So that's actually my prediction for this week, but I'll see how price behaves. If price actually opens the candle and goes above, then we might just go all the way down here. We did not reach our area of interest. This was resistance. We broke out and become support. So we have to retest the support to continue going up. Or we might might actually go all the way, come all the way down, because if we measure the swing low to the swing high, the 61.80 is actually at yeah 39,135. So just note that on your chart, guys. We might come all the way here. So I'm gonna leave it like this because I know this will happen. But please note that on your charts, we do have sell side liquidity here at 38442. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Alright, let's go to our last pair. Okay, two remaining pairs gold. Um, okay, gold. Can see gold. We are really fucking bullish, guys. So nothing I can do about it. Right. At, midpoint. Midpoint of this candlestick, guys. Midpoint. Measure it. Note it down on your charts. Midpoint. We call this basic buy side imbalance, sell side insufficiency. This thing, this candlestick must be tested out, guys. So keep that in mind. Alright. Shut up. Reversal. See how price took out liquidity and reversed, going for sell side liquidity now. Buy stops, swapped, and yeah, now buy stop swapped again, and then buy stop swapped. I think if we dive into our 4 hour, or should I say 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour, because I knew price was actually going to take out buy stops and do a turtle soup. This is a turtle soup, guys. Not giving anyone chances to enter. So as soon as price rejected here, I waited for price to take out buy stops here, sell side liquidity and fairly gap, and then price target the lows. Where are the lows? 1 and 2. Look at this, guys. Relative equal lows. Monday is lows. Please note that on your chart. We are definitely going to take out sell side liquidity here, guys. It's a fact. The market will not just go up and leave all this money that is resting below us. There is money here, guys. Money resting below. People place their stop losses here. Money is resting here. The market, smart money wants to accumulate and take out these guys and shoot up. It's just that simple, guys. Anyways, I think if you trade the Asian session on Monday, you might get a move going down. I've noticed on the Asian session, gold really likes to move heavy, like really heavy. Because I don't think anyone would have noticed, but this happened during the Asian session on FOMC. And now this, just keep price, just watch price on the Asian session. We might actually get some movement going downside. Anyways, let's go to Euro USD. Yeah. Right. Okay, guys, we are testing the monthly opening, but my targets are still not my long-term target for the price to actually go to look for that sell. It's not reaching, so I don't know. Maybe I will avoid this pair, and unless I must start seeing a rejection, and then yeah, the price could just initially just go down. So, but yeah, keep in mind we do have sell side liquidity and a mini temporary gap here, so note it down on the chart. So I do anticipate price to continue this low out and test this. I think I'll watch how price behaves here. Then If there is opportunity for buys, then I'll take it. For now, that's actually my bias plan for this. So, yeah, nothing much we can do. Yeah, guys, so that's it. That's my market review for the week. Please, I hope you found this video insightful. Please, if you are new, please do like, comment below, subscribe. Please do subscribe and please comment if you are enjoying this. And please, the Telegram channel group is down in the description. Just go and click it. It just takes seconds, and then you'll be part of the group, guys. Okay, guys, I'll see you next week. Same time, same place. Be safe. Ciao.